All right, let's continue with traversing the trees actually. So how are we going to do is we already have these four values. Let's put them here. So what do we have? We have 8. We have 5, which goes to left. And we have 6, which goes to right side here. And we have 30, which is the right side of this. Let's add one more or two more. Let's add 2 and 3. So 2 goes from the here to the left side of this, and 3 goes to the right side of this. All right, how are we going to traverse this? So it's one of the most known traversing methods for a tree is the in order. So let's start with that one. So we're going to have another method here, which is going to in order. And it's going to get a node. And if the node is empty, let's return directly here without continuing. So there is the recursion part is coming here as well. So what do we do here is so we continue, we start with actually the left one. And what do we do is we're gonna print the value and then node data, and we do the in order for node right as well. All right, so what do we do here? We traverse the tree. This is called as also as depth first. What it means is we'd have to go to left side first, so from 8 to 5, 5 to 2, and the deepest is 3, right? But the thing is, the 3 is the right side, so we have to stay here. So another thing is this approach is it has to be to increasing order. So it has to print 2, 3, that's why we have to stop here. And if there is nothing here, so it's nil. So we don't print this. Instead of that, we print here 2, and then print the right side 2, 3, and continue from here. So we were in the left node of 5. We already printed this stuff, so we print the 5, and then the right side 6, and we go to root and the printed 8, and then print the last one. That should be yeah, taking care of this. So let's actually run this with the root. We're starting with the root, and yeah, let's see if we're gonna get the results we want. Yeah, you can see it's increasing order, and it's starting with the deepest leaf and continuing with the data itself and then the right side. So that was the in order traversing.